What's up? We're going to Canada. We left at 5:30 in the morning. There's a snowstorm coming, so we're trying to beat it. Will we make it? I don't know. The roads have snow on them already. Stay tuned to find out if we survive. Alright, we ran into our first issue. The windshield wipers decided that they don't want to work anymore. Can't see anything, driving blind. So we gotta find us a gas station quick. We're out of windshield wiper fluid. You wanna fill it up? You're good to go.
You all set then, boss?
Oh yeah, I'm good. That should definitely help. When's it supposed to start getting bad?
All day, probably. So.
Might be alright then.
Beware of all the other idiots that are out.
Yeah, that's the issue. Well, this is Canada. It's as much as I expected.
Huh?
It's cold and snowy. What do you think so far? Cold and snowy. It's gonna look like I have dandruff. Dandruff. We've been in Canada for 30 minutes. And we went to the Outback Steakhouse.
Yep, perfect. Welcome to the Sheraton.
Thank you. My roommate is ready early, which is great, because I'm ready to take a nap.
On the 13th floor of Sheraton.
That was a very pleasant check-in experience. We got upgraded to the top floor, and we have a big suite, fall view. It's gonna be really nice. All right, we were trying to get off the elevator. Kara got off, and as I'm like right there, the door's shut, and I've been riding the elevator ever since. About all the strangers I can find.
Which floor are you going to?
I'm going to 22. I was trying to get off and they shut on me.
Oh no. Okay. Well, enjoy your drive up to 25.
Thank you. Upgraded to the top floor. Oh my gosh, I think I've been everywhere. There's snow on these pine trees. It's snowing right now. The streets are covered. It looks nice. So here we are, walking the streets of Canada. It's like 8 degrees out, and it's snowing pretty good. I don't know what we're thinking. We're going to the wax museum. I'm going to talk to them about making a wax figure of myself for their museum. I said I'll chip in a little bit, but they got to pay the rest. Great Scott. I think it's time to go back to 1985. This right here is probably my biggest inspiration in life. I just love everything he stands for. I've never been to a rainforest cafe in my life. Always been a dream of mine. And today, dreams come true. You can't go in the door. It's locked. So I guess dreams don't come true. We left it outside for too many days. There's never a wrong time for the right wine.
That's the stupidest shit I've ever heard of.
Ouch. This ring keeps shocking me, and that one got me right on the nip. Cheers, mate.
Ugh. That wine sucks.
That was good. We made it. We're gonna go have dinner at the Skylon Tower, which is up there. And it takes an hour, and it makes a 360 rotation while you eat. It's pretty awesome. The restaurant's moving. We got the view. We're living more right now, basically. Alright, it's our last day here, and the sun's coming up, and all the snow's gone, and this is the coolest it has looked so far. Check this out. Very nice. Last day here. We're sad. We're gonna go find some food, and then we gotta go see the falls because we've been here for 3 days and we haven't seen the falls once. It's ridiculous. The big thing to eat here is poutine, which is fries with gravy and cheese curds. What do you think? Me too. What?
I said immature.
I still don't know what you're saying.
I said you're immature.
I'm on a shirt.
You're immature.
Do this. This is our last thing on our to-do list, is to go see the falls up close. I'm gonna jump in. Everybody goes over the falls like in a barrel when it's nice out, but nobody does it when it's 3 degrees out. So I'm gonna be the first. And what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get in the water. It's gonna form a solid ice block around my body, keeping me preserved. And then once I land, you guys pull me up and just thaw me out. Pay me my money. So right now we're both like pretty depressed. We're thinking about jumping over the falls and killing ourselves because we don't want to go home right now.
How do we get out?
Self-serve exit, no cash. You just drive. Country road, take me home. Oh my gosh, look at those colors, like the mist.
Oh my god!
Well, you don't have to be dramatic about it. It's not that big of a deal. It's just a fall. Well, I guess that's it. I'm kind of sad now because now I have to go home. I don't like going home. Everybody's always like, when they go on vacation, they're like, I can't wait to get home. And I'm always like, no. Where are we going next? Where are we going next?